I've been watching a lot of Scotty Kilmer videos. Man, next thing you know, I'm going to be buying a Toyota. Oh, wait. Son of a... Alright, first things first. Coffee. Well, I was watching a Scotty Kilmer video the other day. This one was on the best multimeter in the world and why. And I watched the video and I thought, you know what? That's a pretty cool little tool. I like it. It was on a Blue Driver multimeter. And I thought, man, I want to try that thing. I'd like to have one. And so I was thinking, man, you know what? Maybe if I, put some really cool comment on the video, maybe he'll send me one. So I sat there thinking and thinking for probably 20 or 30 minutes. Needed to think of something really good and witty to say on my comment. And, well, let me show you what I put. And so after contemplating for a while, here's what I came up with. I know. Took me a while to get that. Now, if you noticed, Scotty went ahead and put a little heart next to my comment, meaning he loved it. I mean, who wouldn't love it? And then next thing you know, boom, I get this in the mail. Look at that, from Scotty Kilmer. He went ahead and sent me the digital multimeter from Blue Driver. I feel like I won the lottery. I mean, I never won the lottery, but I'm sure this is what it feels like. And this is exactly how it came. Unfortunately, it looks like UPS dragged it behind the back of their truck before they delivered it to me, so let's hope it's intact. Ooh, fancy little case too. Alright, let's open the case, see what we got. And we got a cool little Blue Driver multimeter. We got some test leads. And what are these? Alligator clips. A fancy Energizer battery. And a little temperature probe here. Now this thing, it looks unopened, but I'm sure Scotty just sealed this back up for me. I'm sure this is the one he used in the video. Oh yeah, I'm sure it is. He wouldn't send me a brand new one. I wanted the actual one that he used in the video. So we're going to go with that. We're going to say this is the same one that was in the video. And inside the case, we also got a user manual. Alright. And we got time for that. Feels like a decent little unit. We got to get the battery in here. Let's see. I think you got to take the screws out. Oh, it's got a nice little stand there. Oh, that's neat. Yeah, I guess we'll take that screw out and that screw out and see if this back cover will come off. Yeah, you just pop those two screws out and the cover comes off. And then there's your fuses and the battery goes right there. Alright, now that we got the batteries in, we can turn this thing on. Certainly a nice big display. If you're sitting on the other side of the vehicle or whatever, you'd definitely be able to see that pretty well. Alright, in honor of Scotty, let's test the voltage on this Toyota pickup. We'll just turn it to volts, and it automatically defaults to auto ranging, so we should be good. It's kind of neat. It has this magnet here, so you can actually stick it on something metal and it'll hold on there pretty decent. So let's check this battery out. Alright, 12.50. Alright, let's test the resistance on something. We'll test the resistance on the seat weight sensor here. 14.8 kilo ohms, and that measured that pretty fast. That's pretty good. Alright, and the last check, let's just do a DC amperage check. We'll test this OTC test light here, see what kind of amperage is pulling. And about 150 milliamps, and that's correct, so it's reading correctly. Now, all kidding aside, this is a really cool multimeter. So Scotty, really appreciate you sending this thing over to me. I know it was because of that awesome comment I made, so thank you, I really appreciate it. And as always, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video or helped you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.